Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the language in XM app. The XM app is used worldwide, so it supports multiple languages to make trading easier for everybody. Changing the language helps you understand features clearly, avoid mistakes and feel more comfortable while using the app. And you can switch languages either inside the XM or through your phone system. So first, what you can do is open to your XM app on your device and make sure to log into your account if you already have not so. And once you reach into this XM interface, what you can do is you can tap on the profile icon in the top right. Under this profile icon here on the bottom, we can find there's an option for the setting. Tap on the setting there. And over here on the bottom again, we can find there's an option for the languages. Under the preferences, tap on the language there. And over here you can access all of the languages. You can simply choose the language that you prefer and the app will automatically update instantly by tapping on one of the language that you prefer. And you can simply go back and that is it. Changing the language in XM app is quick and simple. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.